The Smallrig NPF battery adapter plate, model 3018, positions itself as a specialized power solution for specific camera systems. Designed to integrate seamlessly into existing video shooting rigs, it addresses the common professional need for extended camera operation. Its primary function is to enable the use of widely available Sony NPF-type batteries to power Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K and 6K models. This capability is crucial for sustained operation on set, transforming readily accessible power sources into a viable option for these demanding cameras. The adapter plate efficiently bridges the power gap, allowing users to leverage their existing NPF battery investments for their cinema cameras. In practical scenarios, this adapter plate proves invaluable for extended video shoots where internal camera batteries may fall short. It is particularly well-suited for professional environments involving complex camera rigs, providing a stable and reliable power source for the Bmpcc 4K or 6K. Whether on location or in a studio, the ability to utilize higher-capacity NPF batteries simplifies power management during critical recording sessions. As a component within a video shooting support rig, this adapter plate's design inherently suggests robustness and secure integration. Its purpose is to reliably deliver power from NPF batteries to the demanding Bmpcc 4K and 6K, underscoring an expectation of consistent performance in professional use. The rig designation implies a construction intended for stability and durability within a broader camera system. In summary, the Smallrig NPF battery adapter plate, model 3018, stands out as a focused and practical accessory. It efficiently solves the power challenge for Bmpcc 4K and 6K users by leveraging the ubiquitous NPF battery standard. For filmmakers and videographers relying on Blackmagic Pocket Cinema cameras within a rigged setup, this adapter plate offers a straightforward and dependable solution for extended power needs.